Everybody, class 5. Today I take your literature class. In the previous day, we will discuss half of the story. I discussed half of the story, Atuk and Pular. Today, the remaining portion of the story, now I explain to you. Then, in the previous day, I ended that when Atuk, everybody, all men and boys were going to hunt, and Atuk's father was ill. So, but the news came that the seals had been seen. So, he finding without any way, Atuk decided to go alone for hunting. But his mother was afraid of it. He told Atuk not to go for alone, and he requested him to wait until the hunters returned. Today I'll discuss after this. Atuk shook his head and said, "We need the food now, and any day snow may come and then we cannot hunt. I will take Pular and my small sledge." That is, he said that they need some food, but if anybody snow may come, and then they had faced a great problem of food and oil. So then when snow came, they could not go out of the home. So he decided to go alone. Only but she decided to take Pular and his small sledge with him. Okay. Then they reached the ice, and after a patient wait, Atuk caught and killed a seal. He fastened it on his sledge and cried, "Wheat, wheat, wheat, Pular," for snow was beginning to fall. Then they means Atuk with Pular and his sledge. Atuk with Pular with his sledge reached at the snow, ice, and then Atuk caught and killed a seal. Atuk suddenly caught a seal. He tied it on his sledge and cried and shouted, "Wheat, Pular." Wheat means in the wheat means go on, go on. Then he told Pular to go on. Wheat, for snow was beginning to fall. Snow was beginning to fall. So nothing could be seen but the whirling flakes. Whirling means rolling. The snow was rolling, move rapidly round and rather rotate. That is rolling. And so nothing could be seen but the whirling. Only the flakes. The snow flakes means the snow. A piece of snow were rolling down from the ice, and it grew so cold that Atuk became numb and sleepy. Due to the cold of the ice, at that place, Atuk became numb and sleepy. He had no strength to move. That is, then the reins dropped from his frozen fingers and Atuk fell from his legs. Reins means a long narrow strap, one end of which is attached to an animal. Attached to the animal, that is long rope. That is, Atuk has no strength to pull the reins. Then, and in this his fingers were frozen with ice, and Atuk fell from his sledge. "Oof!" barked Pular again and again, as if to say, "Get up, little master." Hoof means the word hoof. Pular barked, hoof. That is, the word hoof means get up, little master, get up. When Atuk became, due to the cold of the ice, Atuk became numb and sleepy, and he had no strength to hold his reins. That is, he fell from his sledge. Then Pular barked, hoof. Get up, little master, get up. Hoof means get up. He told his master, get up, little master, get up. Slowly Atuk got up, tied himself to the sledge and said, "Good Pular, go on, pull." Then with very difficulties he got up and tied himself with the sledge. and Pular did pull. He brought Athuk with his seal safely home. And after this, Pular pulled his sledge with his strength, and he brought Athuk with his sledge with the seal to the home safely. Thank you, said the people in the village, when Athuk brought them a share of his seal meat. That is, the people of the village gave thanks to Athuk, and because why the people give thanks to Athuk, because he brought some meat of the seal for the people of his locality. You must thank Pular, said Athuk. Had it not been for him, I would be lying frozen in the snow and you would be going hungry to bed. So he told his people, this thank is not proper for me. It is proper for Athuk. Because why? Because if Athuk was not there, he could not live. He could not he could not got his life. That is, had it not been for him, I would be lying frozen in the snow, and he would not. And he told his people that you had not got your food. So this thanks is justified for Pular, not him. So this is the story of Athuk and Pular, and written by Mary Entwistle. Okay, this is the story. So I hope you all realize the story. You all learn the story. That is Athuk and Pular. I repeat it again shortly. Story. Athuk was a little boy. He lived in Greenland, and this land was full of snow and ice. And Pular was his dog. His father gave him this dog, and he named the dog Pular, because this Pular, when he grew up, he pulled his sledge. Athuk then, when one day he tied a blubber on his sledge, and Pular pulled it. But after some time, this blubber was broken down. When it was lump of ice broke against a rock, then he saw that it was a silly thing. A piece of ice was a silly thing, so he requested Athuk to pull a sledge, not lump of ice. Then one day came, Pular showed when he could do. After summer, winter came, and there the scarcity of food and oil appeared there, and and winter brought sickness with it, everything. This happens, and at that time there was a news spread out, that is a seals had been seen, and seals was their favorite food, and seals oil was their essential thing. And Athuk's father was ill at that time. Athuk's fathers were ill, and all men and boys were going for hunting. So without any way, Athuk decided to go hunting alone. But his mother was afraid of him. He requested him not to go alone. He requested him to wait until the hunters returned. Athuk decided that any day snow may come, and at that time they could not go out of their home, and so at that time scarcity of food appeared there. So he decided to go alone, but he decided to take his dog Pular and his sledge. And when they set out for their journey, and when they reached ice, after a patient work, after some time, Athuk caught a seal and killed a seal. He fastened it on his sledge and cried Pular to go on, because snow rolled down. Snow was beginning to roll down, and it grew so cold that Athuk became numb and sleepy. He has no strength to pull out the reins of his eyes became frozen, became paralyzed with cold eyes, and Athuk fell from the sledge. And when he saw that his little master fell from the sled, he requested Atuk to get up. Hoof, hoof means get up, barked. Hoof, hoof, that is hoof means get up, little master. With very difficulties, Atuk got up from the, and he ordered Pular to go on, and then Pular carried Atuk with his sledge safely to home. And when he returned to his country, then people thanked Atuk. But Atuk told the people that this is not justified to give thanks to him. This thank is totally given for Atuk. If Pular was not there, he could not alive and he could not came back to his home, and they could not get their food. So this is they became hungry. So this is the story. Then I complete the story. I hope that you will you understand the story. You learn the story thoroughly at home. And now I give you some word meanings. So I give you today some word meanings. That is faint. Faint means unclear, vague. Seal, a large semi-aquatic marine mammal. Antics, amusing behavior. Blubber, the fat of a seal animal. Sledge, a vehicle often pulled by animals or snow. And then harpoon, a spear-like missile attached to a rope and thrown by hand or fired from a gun. Spear, a weapon with a pointed tip. Harness, a set of straps by which an animal is fastened to cart, plough, etc. Whirl, rotate, spin. Rein, a long narrow strap, one end of which is attached to an animal. This is the word meanings I discuss in the class. Next day I write in the class for word meanings and question answers. Okay, I finish this story, and you got your I hope that you have got your syllabus, first term syllabus. You will prepare yourself at home. Thank you very much.